तुम्हारे हाथ में एक ऐसी की है जो तुम्हारी पूरी लाइफ बदल सकती है, बट द ट्विस्टेड रियलिटी मोस्ट पीपल विल नेवर टेल यू. 95% of Indians never touch the securities market. क्यों? Because it's not explained it properly. Nobody showed them the real game, and that, my friends, is exactly what the powerful want. Today, we're going to break that system. But wait, रुको एक minute. Before we dive into the how, we need to understand the why. And trust me, this isn't just about making money. देखिए, securities market सिर्फ एक market नहीं है. It's actually a massive bridge. Think about it. You work hard, save money, right? But where does that money go? This market takes तुम्हारी hard earned savings and connects them directly to companies that need capital to grow, to innovate, to create jobs. So when you invest, तुम सिर्फ अपनी हेल्प नहीं कर रहे. You're literally fueling the country's economic engine. And here's the beautiful part. As the economy grows, your wealth grows with it. यह है real compound effect. सबसे बड़ी problem क्या है? The language, the jargons, वो टेक्निकल शब्द that make everything sound so damn complicated. ये सब बहुत simple है. Let me break it down for you. The market has two main parts. अरे think of it like this. The primary market ये है कि जैसे एक कार कंपनी sells a brand new car for the very first time. Secondary market. That's where people buy and sell those cars among themselves later. And that's exactly what the stock exchange is. Equity. ये वही है जो मैक्सिमम लोग सोचते हैं when they hear stocks. When you buy a share, तुम सिर्फ एक पेपर नहीं खरीद रहे. You literally own a tiny piece of that company. That gives you claim on profits through dividends and even a voice in decisions. Next, debt securities or bonds. ये बिल्कुल different है. Instead of owning a company piece, you're acting like a bank. You lend money to companies or government and they pay you back with regular interest. ये है more stable, predictable investment. Then derivatives. ये थोड़ा advanced है. Their value depends on value of something else like a stock price. ये experienced traders और investors के लिए है. Finally, mutual funds. ये है incredibly popular और good reason के साथ. Imagine buying shares in 100 different companies individually. बहुत बड़ा झंझट होगा ना. Mutual funds do it for you. They pool money from many investors and a professional manager invests in a whole mix of stocks and bonds. So you know the language now. But here's where it gets interesting. Actually में कैसे करते हैं ये सब? The system requires exactly 3 components. First, your regular bank account. यहाँ है तुम्हारा पैसा. Second, a trading account. This is your weapon. यहाँ से तुम buy sell orders place करते हो. Third, डीमैट अकाउंट. ये है तुम्हारा डिजिटल तिजोरी दैट होल्ड्स ऑल योर सिक्योरिटीज सेफली. बट हियर्स द सीक्रेट. तुम्हें 3 अलग चीज़ें नहीं खोलनी पड़ती. Many financial institutions bundle these into a single 3-in-1 account. पूरा प्रोसेस सिंपल हो जाता है. But before your first trade, there's one mandatory checkpoint you cannot avoid. इसे कहते हैं KYC process. The requirements? बस officially valid documents. It's for your own fund security. Now comes the part nobody wants to talk about honestly. Risk, हाँ. Investing involves risk. Anyone who tells you otherwise is lying to your face. But here's what separates the smart money from the stupid money. The key isn't to avoid risk, you can't. The key है to understand it or manage it. Risks come in different flavors. Market risk, जब पूरा मार्केट डाउन जाता है. Business risk, when a specific company makes bad moves. Inflation risk, जब तुम्हारे returns cost of living के साथ keep up नहीं करते. So what's the solution? Diversification. Simple मतलब, don't put all eggs in one basket. Spread your money across different companies, different industries, different asset types. एक बैड इन्वेस्टमेंट तुम्हारे पूरे पोर्टफोलियो को सिंक नहीं कर सकती. नेवर एक्ट ऑन रैंडम टिप्स. एंड फॉर गॉड्स सेक डोंट फॉरगेट टू नॉमिनेट समवन फॉर योर अकाउंट. सो वीव कवर्ड द व्हाई, द व्हाट एंड द हाउ. तुम्हारे पास है एक क्लियर मैप टू गो फ्रॉम बीइंग जस्ट अ सेवर टू बिकमिंग एन इन्वेस्टर. द क्वेश्चन इजंट वेदर यू कैन अफोर्ड टू इन्वेस्ट. क्वेश्चन ये है, क्या तुम रेडी हो टू प्ले द गेम.